In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel not letting me merge cells. If Excel keeps blocking you from merging, it is often because filters are turned on in your sheet, and we will walk through turning them off so you can merge your cells normally again. First, click Data. Look near the top of the Excel window, in the ribbon of tabs that starts with Home and Insert. Move along that row until you see the tab labeled Data. When you click it, the ribbon below changes to show tools for sorting, filtering, and working with connections. You will know you are on the Data tab when it is highlighted, and you can see buttons like Sort A to Z and Filter in the toolbar. Taking a second to confirm you are really on this tab helps you avoid hunting for the right button later. Now click Filter to turn it off. In the Data toolbar, find the Filter button, usually shown as a small funnel icon with the word Filter. If Filter is currently turned on, the button will look pressed in, and your column headers will show small drop-down arrows. Click the Filter button once so it is no longer highlighted. Right away, those little arrow icons in the header row disappear, which tells you that filtering is no longer active on this sheet. A small detail many beginners miss is that even a filter on a distant column can block merges in another area, so turning filter off here affects the entire worksheet, not just the row you are working in. Next up, try merging again. Click back into the cells you wanted to merge, for example a group of cells across the top of a table where you want a single title. With those cells selected, use your usual merge option in the toolbar. This might be Merge and Center, or simply Merge Cells, depending on your version of Excel. The merge should now complete without the previous error message, and the selected cells will appear as one larger cell containing your text. If it still fails, double-check that you really turned off Filter on the same sheet where you are merging, since filters apply separately to each worksheet in a file. Once the merge succeeds, try clicking in different parts of that new merge cell to see that it behaves as one single cell when you move around, copy, or format it. By following these steps, you turned off filtering on your sheet and successfully merged the cells that Excel was blocking before. If this helped you finally merge those cells, a quick thumbs up helps more people fix the same issue, and you can subscribe if you want more simple Excel fixes.